Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to promote Digistore24 products on Instagram. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So as you can see, I am on the Digistore24 website. Of course, you need an account here to promote their products. If you don't have an account yet, you can just simply go to digistore24.com and just click on the Get Started button to sign up. Once you have signed up, just log in to your account. And when you're here on this page, make sure that you are viewing it as an affiliate. So just click on this button and click on Affiliate. Then click on Marketplace. After that, you will be able to see products that you can promote already. You can also filter the products here based on your preferred niche. So let's say under digital products, let us select fashion. So you will see different digital products here under your selected niche. And when you click on this arrow, you will see more details about the product, including the price and the commission percentage. So every time someone clicks on your affiliate link and buy from it, that's when you're gonna earn. But before we copy our affiliate link, we should know that Instagram has a lack of flexibility in terms of link placement. So I suggest that you create a landing page to promote your affiliate link. So we just have to go to Linktree, which can be searched on Google. So this platform basically allows you to create a free landing page. You just have to sign up for a free account. Once you have signed up, just log in. And you can change your icon image here by clicking on Appearance. You just have to upload a photo here. Then you can also change your profile title and your bio, as well as your theme. Once you're done, you can go back to Links, click on Add Link, then go back to Digistore to copy your affiliate link, and then paste it here. Then click on Add. Then you can also change the title here if you want. And now if you click on Share, then open Linktree, this is what it's gonna look like. Now let's go to Instagram. Here, if we edit our profile, we can change our bio, so you just have to try to put something related to your niche here. Then as you can see, we can actually put a website link here, so we can get our landing page link and then paste it here. But pasting link here can only be done on a mobile phone as what it says here, so just go ahead and do it on your mobile phone. So if someone clicks on your landing page and then click on this, they will be redirected to your affiliate link. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can promote Digistore24 products on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.